Hi, this is Insurmount.
In this video, we're building a home gym.
Let's lose some weight.
To start off, we're going to build a sturdy construction using these old monkey bars we still have laying around. After that, we're going to attach some hooks to the side to lay the barbell on and build a bench to do bench presses on. Finally, we're going to make some weights out of concrete using buckets and pipes.
Oh, I saw! We've got the stuff, we've got some buckets, we've got a lot of concrete, some steel, some wood. So let's build this thing.
Mate.
Oi!
I said so. Put things down gently.
Are you filming? Yeah. Okay, so you got this round piece of steel, which you're gonna put on the end of that, but as you can see, it doesn't fit. So you're gonna have to cut this in small pieces, use the lathe. We have a lathe! Use the lathe to make it fit. That was the end of the lathe, I'm afraid.
Did it die?
I think it might have died. I just bought a new lathe. Turned it on, and the motor exploded, so it's doing nothing anymore.
It's going to be an interesting one for this project.
There are some nails on this thing which you don't want in your hands, so you're going to grind those off.
We're going to mount this thing on 4 beams.
Hello, camera.
Such a dumb way to do this.
Shite! We found this piece of PVC, which fits almost perfectly. Not entirely perfectly, but almost perfectly. So we're just going to use this. Is it a bad idea? Maybe. Can we fix it if it goes wrong? Maybe. Let's go, let's cast some concrete. We're basically going to do this, and then pour concrete in it, and hope it works.
We cut the PVC pipes and now we're going to glue them to the bottom of the buckets.
With crappy hot glue so it comes loose. That part is important, I think.
Time to make some concrete.
Now that the concrete is poured and there's plastic foil over all of them, we're going to let them dry overnight, leaving it warm in here. So tomorrow we're going to look if the concrete has set.
Yes. Or jump cut. I mean, nobody will notice.
Hello there.
General Kenobi.
Hello there.
General Kenobi.
What? How are we getting this out of the bucket?
I don't know, man.
Do you feel confused?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks...
It's really shiny. There is no hole in there.
There you go! Awesome!
Nice.
And this is still in there. So we're gonna grind off all the sharp edges just to make the weights a bit more easy to hold, and we'll also rub them down with a bit of oil to make sure that they don't deteriorate. Feel better on your hands? I don't care. It looks pretty, so we'll do it.
Yeah.
89.6 and 84.86. Here we go.
89.6. 89.9.
So they're the exact same weight.
Yeah.
We are so amazing.
0.6 and this was 0.7.
Yeah.
Grind a bit off and hope
Yeah, just
it's
like a small foot.
As you can see, the weights are marked with a weight with a paint marker. So now we're gonna let them de-dust in the air, and then we're gonna oil them up. And while they're de-dusting, we're now going to
make some
What?
hooks. Or
make some hooks.
Got 2 pieces of wood, hook. Yeah. Yes, for people with loved ones that they care about. We just found a bench, sort of standing there doing not much. However, we don't have the weights yet, as those are still drying, so I'm gonna try to bench a vessel.
That's gonna work.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah?
Yeah. 1 vessel coming right up. This would be a personal record.
yeah, come on.
Oh no! I can't do it.
Too bad.
1, 2, 3. Up.
Yeah, come on. You're almost there. Almost there.
Nice. So close. It's done.
What in shit?
I mean, look at the ground.
And look at the wobble. It's terrible.
So it's time to rebuild it. Let's get back to the wash. So this time we're building an A-frame out of much sturdier wood, like laid out on the ground. For the pull-up bar, we'll be using this piece of steel, which will be a lot wider as the previous pull-up bar, which is a lot nicer to work out. So let's get to work. So the frame is done.
Time to dig them in.
So while Boss is doing all the hard work outside, I'm going to grind this bar exactly to size to make sure that we have enough room on the sides to still clear the bars when we're doing bench presses. Let's go see how Boss is doing. Oh damn, that's a large hole. How are you doing? You got the bar. Nice.
Let's see if it fits. Thanks for helping me lift the factory.
Here we can see Boss and Vessel in their natural habitat, doing all the hard work whilst I'm lazing off.
So we're done digging.
Wait, now you start talking?
You want me to talk, right?
Yeah, but like, not now.
Not now. You sound like a girl.
So we're gonna make 3 vertical planks to make a stiff frame in the ground and make sure it doesn't wobble.
Nice.
Hi. Our current bench we just grabbed from the terrain, and that's way too wide, so it isn't very useful. So we're going to make our own bench out of this scrap wood, and hopefully it will be much better. So we're done with the top part of the bench, and apparently the scrap wood we used was bunkerite, and that's very hard wood, so that's very nice. And now we're going to build the legs.
These legs stand out at an angle, and they fit with these plates that fit in between. So it'll be a nice sturdy construction, and I think it looks really nice. Let's get this thing assembled. Just finished assembling both the leg pieces, I guess. So now it's time to get everything together and we can do some bench presses. Quite sturdy.
I'd go lay on that.
Yeah, but you say that about everything. Shall we? Wait, here we go. This is specimen 1 we're testing in this test environment where we can see test subject A using the bench for the first time. The bench is holding and the bench is still holding. The test subject is also holding. The test subject emulates a plane and it still works, so I guess that's good.
Hey boss, what we're gonna do?
Well, you're going to weld the hooks for the bar.
Hi! If you like this video, please consider subscribing or leaving a like. If you have any ideas for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Bye!